Today your physics practical class, class 11. Class 11, today is your physics practical class. The second practical from section A. You know it, the name of this practical, the aim of this practical, the objective of this practical. My dear student, you know it. Okay? So, I also again clear to you the name of this experiment. To measure diameter of a given wire and thickness of a given sheet using screw gauge, or to determine volume of an irregular lamina using screw gauge. Again I repeat it fast. To measure aim of this experiment. Aim of this experiment you see on the board. This portion is clear. You see it. Aim of this experiment. The name of the aim of the experiment. You see on the board. To measure diameter of a given wire using screw gauge. To measure diameter of a given wire using screw gauge, and to measure thickness of a given sheet using screw gauge. So, two objects are there. One is the wire, second is the sheet. For the wire you measure the diameter. For the sheet you measure the thickness. Clear, my dear student? Clear, my dear student? Is it clear? Is it clear, yes or no? Yes, sir. Very good. So, you see it, the second practical for section A for class 11, to measure diameter of a given wire using screw gauge, and thickness, to measure thickness of a given sheet using screw gauge. So, one table is here. You try to write the second table to find out the thickness. Okay? So, you see here the first practical and second means with this practical or is there, to determine volume of an irregular lamina using screw gauge. Okay? So, my dear student, you see first, the three materials are in your practical rooms. One is the wire, second is the sheet, third is the lamina, means irregular lamina. You measure it, dimension of those with the help of the instrument screw gauge. Okay. So, you see it first, the screw gauge. Screw gauge, you know it, this is the screw gauge. From the first practical class you know it, the screw gauge and the vernier calipers. So, first practical you have already completed. The name of this experiment, it was to measure diameter of a small spherical or cylindrical body and to measure internal diameter and depth of a given beaker or calorimeter using vernier calipers and hence find its volume. Means vernier calipers, with the help of the instrument vernier calipers. It was the first practical. And today the second practical, you use the screw gauge. Screw gauge. So, you see here the shape of this instrument like this. Okay? And the two scales are there. One is the linear scale, that means the main scale. Another is the, you see it, one is the linear scale This portion is the linear scale. You see it. The inner part, you see the linear scale is there. You measure the linear scale with the help of the scale. What will be the unit? The unit of that scale is millimeter. Okay. You see here the last portion. Oh, you see here at the middle of is means this portion 25 into 1 millimeter. Means each division equal to 1 millimeter. You can measure it 25 millimeter with the help of this instrument. Am I clear? So this is the main scale and that is the circular scale. Start from 0 and you see it 0, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, again 0. That means how many divisions are there? 100 divisions are there. Because 0 to 10, 10 divisions are there. So 0 to 100 means 100 divisions are there. Okay. So circular scale division equal to 100. One main scale division equal to 1 millimeter. This is the pitch of this, pitch of that instrument. Am I clear? So, my dear student, you first note it, the aim of this experiment. Aim of this experiment, you first note it. And second part, you note it, the apparatus. Apparatus from your books, you see, again I repeat it. What is name of those apparatus? Apparatus is screw gauge, wire, or sheet, or irregular lamina, and half meter scale and magnifying glass. Magnifying glass means the convex lens. Okay. So when you see here the wire to calculate the, to determine the, to find out the to measure the diameter of a wire. This is the wire. To measure the thickness of a sheet. This is the sheet. Iron sheet is here. So you measure it, the thickness of it. And this is the lamina. Irregular shape lamina. Okay. Irregular shape lamina, you can find out the volume of it. First you see with the help of the graph paper how many smallest division are there, means area of that irregular lamina. Okay. Then you measure the thickness of it, and area into thickness, that means the volume of the irregular lamina. Am I clear? Am I clear? Students, please respond me. Sound is clear, everything is clear. Students, please respond me. Okay. Okay. So the three objects are here. First one is the irregular lamina. Second one is the you see here, second one is the sheet, and third one is the wire. So you measure the diameter of a wire. You measure the diameter of a wire. How can we measure it? So second portion, the theory. Theory you note it from your books, and the major part of this practical is the observation table. Observation table. The board is clear. You see here the observation table. Point 4, the observation table. Okay. First you see the observation table. Okay. The determination of the least count of the screw gauge. Determination of the least count of the screw gauge. How can we find out the least count of that screw gauge? Okay? Determination of the least count of the screw gauge. First you write it, one linear scale division. One linear scale division from the screw gauge, you know it, one linear scale division equal to 1 millimeter. One linear scale division, that is the pitch of this instrument, is 1 millimeter. Okay? Number of division in circular scale. Circular scale division is 100. Number of division in circular scale 100. Okay? Clear? So least count LC. Least count equal to pitch by circular scale division. Pitch by circular scale division. 1 millimeter by 100, that is equal to 0.01 millimeter. 0.01 millimeter. This is the least count of that instrument, means this instrument. The least count may be vary for different school, the instrument is different. So you cannot write it from the net service, from the copy from other schools, because it will be the different, maybe different and maybe the same. So least count of that instrument is 0.01 millimeter. Clear? Next, the instrumental error. When you see the zero line coincide with the main scale 0, that means the instrumental error is 0. Instrumental error is 0. Next, table for diameter. You calculate the diameter. How it is possible? How you calculate it? First, you consider it. First you consider it. Suppose you hold it. You hold it, the wire, this method. Okay? The wire is hold it. And you see here how many division of the circular scale coincide with the main scale. You see here, that value will be the 12. That value will be the 12. You open it. Okay? So again you see how many complete rotation on the linear scale. Means 1 time, 2, 3, again 0. Means second reading, you see the linear scale you see on the board. The linear scale reading in millimeter. How many division? 3 division. So 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. Circular scale reading in millimeter. Circular scale division 12. That means 12 into least count 0.01. That value will be the 0.12. That means the total reading 3 plus 0.12. Okay. Similar way, you find out the second reading. Only change the circular scale division. First time you see it was the 10 division, 12 division. Second time you see it may be the 10 division. You hold it. Okay? And again you open it. And you see it. That value will be the 10. So that value 10 division, 10 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.1, 3.1. Similar way the 3.14. 3.14. You check it. Is it clear? You see it. Clear? Board is clear. Board is clear. Board is clear. Taposh. Yes. Okay, please you respond me. Otherwise, I will try to rotate the camera. So this portion is the observation table for measuring the diameter of a wire. And those are the readings for different position of the wire. You find out the calculation. Calculation equal to mean value. Mean value of the diameter D equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 by 3. That value equal to 3.12 millimeter. Last point you write it, the result. The diameter of a given wire is equal to 3.12 millimeter. Okay? Clear? 3.12 millimeter. And last 2 points per question and 2 points for the sources of error. But, my dear student, you check here, the two practicals are here. Again the thickness. So, you write after this table for diameter and D point table for thickness. Table for thickness, next you see it, table for thickness. So, similar way, you hold it the sheet. You hold it just. You hold it the sheet and you open it. You see in which portion it touch it. 40. So, so 40 division. That means very small width. You see here again. Okay. Means 2 division. 2 division means 2 division means sorry, means one complete division 1 millimeter and 2 division, that is equal to 1.02 millimeter. The thickness, similar method means this position 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. 2 division, 3 division, 4 division. If you wish, you put it, and the value will be the 3.102, 3.03, 3.04. What will be the mean? 1.01, 1.02, 1.03. That will be the 1.02. Okay, mean will be 1.02. That means the 1 millimeter. The thickness of the sheet will be 1 millimeter. Okay, thickness of the sheet will be 1 millimeter. So the two practicals means practical one, but two different objects are here. One is the wire, second is the sheet. Wire you find out the diameter and the sheet you find out the thickness. Or Taposh Kumar, you left it. Or you find out that to determine the volume of irregular lamina using screw gauge. Next day I will discuss with you, but before it, I will try to attendance. 11 pine. Wait just my dear student, wait 1 minute. Vaibhav. VHVY. Next is Subhajit. Subhajit De. Next is Swastika Jos. Swastika, how are you? How are you? Very good, Swastika. Practical is clear, yes or no? Practical is clear. Practical is clear. Thank you, my dear student. See you again next day. See you again next day. Thank you, my dear student. Thank you, my dear student. See you again next day.